In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Google Drive with Microsoft Outlook. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The first step is to access Zapier. So open your web browser and navigate to the Zapier homepage. Zapier is a fantastic tool that helps you automate workflows across different applications, linking Google Drive and Outlook seamlessly. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, look for the Create button on the top right corner of the screen. This is where we'll start building our new integration. Click that button, and you'll see an option that says Zaps. Go ahead and select that to begin crafting your new workflow. Now we need to define what integration we want to create. In the message box that appears, type in a command like Connect Google Drive and Microsoft Outlook. This helps Zapier know exactly which tools you want to link. Next up, it's time to add automation steps. From the options that come up, you'll see something that says Add All Steps to Zap. Click on that to build the foundation of your workflow. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for everything that follows. Now let's configure the trigger. This is the event that will start your automation. You'll want to select a trigger event in Google Drive. For instance, you can choose New File Added. This option means that every time a new file gets added to your Google Drive, it will trigger an action in Outlook. The next thing you need to do is sign into your Google Drive account. Go ahead and enter your credentials when prompted. Once you're logged in, click the Test button to ensure that the connection to your Google Drive is working effectively. If everything goes smoothly, you'll receive a confirmation that your trigger has been set up correctly. Now, let's move on to configuring the action. This is where you define what happens in Microsoft Outlook as a result of your trigger. First, select Microsoft Outlook as the app where this action will occur. Next, choose what you'd like to happen in Outlook. This is known as the action event. Options might include creating a new email, sending a notification, or adding an event to your calendar. After you've decided on the action, you'll need to sign in to your Microsoft Outlook account as well. Just like with Google Drive, enter your credentials when prompted. After logging into Outlook, it's time to click Test again. This step verifies that the connection to your Microsoft Outlook is working properly. It's important to ensure that both connections are operating smoothly to make the automation functional. Finally, we're at the last step, activating your workflow. Once you've successfully tested both the trigger and the action, you'll see an option to click Publish. Doing so will turn on your automation, linking Google Drive to Microsoft Outlook and streamlining your workflow. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Google Drive with Microsoft Outlook. This integration will save you time and help keep your tasks organized. Remember to check back for more tutorials and